Hi students, today we will learn the 40 alphabets of Urdu on 4 lines English sheet. This is very unique method and I think very suitable for small kids or beginners of Urdu. So let's start. First alphabet is Alif Madda A on upper 3 lines. Next word is Alif in upper 3 lines. Next word is Be in middle 2 lines. Be in middle 2 lines. Te in middle 2 lines. Te in middle 2 lines. Se in middle 2 lines. Jeem in lower 3 lines. Che in lower 3 lines. He in lower 3 lines. Khe in lower 3 lines. Dal in middle 2 lines. Dal in middle 2 lines. Next is Zal in middle 2 lines. Next letter is Re in middle 2 lines. Next alphabet is Ade in middle 2 lines. Ze in middle 2 lines. Se in middle 2 lines. Seen in lower 3 lines. Sheen in lower 3 lines. Swat in lower 3 lines. Zwad in lower 3 lines. Toe in upper 3 lines. Zoe in upper 3 lines. Ain in lower 3 lines. Ghain in lower 3 lines. Fe. Next word is Fe, middle 2 lines. Next word is Qaf in lower 3 lines. Kaf in upper 3 lines. Gaf in upper 3 line. Next word is Lam in upper 3 lines. Next word is Meem in lower 3 lines. Next word is Noon in lower 3 lines. Next word is Noon in lower 3 lines. Next word is Wow in middle 2 lines. Next word is hey, ha. In middle two lines, it's another form with two eyes, also in middle two lines. Hamza in middle two lines. Next alphabet is choti ye, small ye, in lower three lines. Last word is alphabet is badi ye, in middle two lines. That's okay.